Hey guys, welcome to another video with a very important update regarding the Blockmesh Airdrop. If you already in the park section, as you can see, you might have noticed an option called Intract. You may have a question like, do I need to complete this or how do I even do it? Don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly so you don't have any doubts left. First, let me clarify, this is not mandatory. Yes, you heard that right. It's completely optional. To prove it, you can check the Blockmesh official X account. Here they have stated all the items are optional, as you can see. So there's no need to stress about it. However, if you are aiming for a higher airdrop allocation, I think it's a good idea to complete all the tasks. So in this video, I will show you how you can do this task. If you want the latest updates on crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. You can also visit our blog where we publish the latest articles on crypto and airdrops. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. So to complete the task, you need to visit this page. I'll provide the link in the description. So first, you need to sign in using your email. Once you are in, you will see a bunch of tasks to complete. For example, let's do the X task. Follow the official Blockmesh account. Then click verify. As you can see, it's verified now. Next, the most important task is to verify proof of humanity. I think you should complete this task to show them you are a real person and avoid getting your account banned. To do this, click the link. Wait for a moment. Then click get started. After that, click next. And finally proceed. Now as you can see, we have landed on our desired page. As you can see, there are lots of options here and you can complete each one if you want. Example, I'll show you how to connect a Bybit account. Click connect. As you can see, when I click it, it asks me to download and install the ZkPass extension. So let's download the extension. Open it, then click enter. You'll see a page like this. Here you need to connect your wallet again. I'll select the Phantom wallet and connect it. Then you can choose the base network. And now it's done. Go back to the Intract page and click connect Bybit. Now click connect again and connect. This will take you to your Bybit account. At the bottom, as you can see, a small pop-up option. Just click start. It automatically identifies your account. Now as you can see, Bybit is connected and it's marked as claimed. I have earned 100 points for that. So as you can see, I have got around 100 points for complete this task. Here you can also complete the humanity card, which is basically an NFT. It costs around $4. So if you want, you can complete this task too. Now return to Blockmesh task section. Click verify Bybit KYC. then hit verify. As you can see, it's verified now. So we have successfully completed the proof of humanity step. I did suggest completing as many tasks as possible to maximize your rewards. I hope this video helps you to understand the Blockmesh update. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. For all the updates, you can join our Telegram channel. And that's it for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.